In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on StubHub. First of all, open the StubHub website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Scroll down on the left side of the screen and click on Settings. Once you are in the settings, select Personal Details to access your personal information. Scroll down until you find the Primary Phone section. If you are accessing your StubHub settings for the first time, you might need to verify your email address using an OTP code that will be sent to your email. Once you are able to access the Primary Phone section, click on the pencil icon next to your phone number. A drop-down menu will appear where you can select your country code from the first box. In the second box, type in your new phone number. After that, click on Save. Most of the time, StubHub does not require phone number verification unless you are making a purchase or there is a problem with your order. After saving the new number, it will be updated in your account and you can start using it immediately. This is how you can change your phone number on StubHub.